Uh, Hello, this is the place where I work. It's called the Sukshi office, and you can see, okay, it's a quite a huge place, and we are basically hoping to build an Indian version of Amazon, except that it is even we take the help of these virtual fashion assistants, personal shopping assistant. So now I'll show you a bit of my office. See, it's a huge place, quite a nice place actually. This is my hair. I'm looking nice, and and see, this is like this balcony that we have here, which is also beautiful. And we are set in this place called the Subvali campus, which is 42 acres in this place called Bhuvanagiri, Bhongir it's called, but it's a beautiful place. So here it is, and so that's what it feels so good to be working here, and I really hope you like this office as much as I do. Thanks.